Oh, the I love you. Along the back here. Super busy here at the Plancha. Here. That's what it is. Happy hour, 4 bottle, only 180k. Happy hours. 2 for 1 pizza. Tuesday and Friday. Setting up with some picture paintings here. Oh, there a bit. I want to take a wander through. Musical artist there. Oh, this is the good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone 6 p.m. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a beach walking tour along Double Six Beach. So my starting point for tonight's video is going to be at the pathway that runs just along the back of Double Six Beach, not actually on the beach itself, next along, just at the back of the beach, and the path that runs actually along the back of the beach. It's just a street where all of the parking, all of the back of the restaurants that come onto Seminyak Double Six Beach, that's the street I'm going to be walking along, and I'm going to make the starting point is going to be a place called Gado restaurant, which is a very popular restaurant. Just on from Gado, carrying on walking, just a short walk, you'll come out onto the street of Jalan Champlong Tanduk, which is a very popular tourist street here in the Seminyak area of Bali. Quite a few hotel accommodation options on there, lots of restaurants, lots of shopping. And then when I get onto the street of Jalan Champlong Tanduk, there's going to be a big main gate entrance. It's going to lead us onto Seminyak and Double Six Beach. So I'm going to stroll along the path and onto the beach, the pathway that runs all the way along the back of the beach. I'm going to zigzag in and out and onto the beach. There's lots of restaurants, beachfront restaurants here. Probably some live entertainment as well as usually acoustic music, and lots of things going on the beach, lots of nice seating areas, lots of nice restaurants. So I'm just going to give you a general feel and a general idea of what's available on Seminyak Double Six Beach around about sunset time. So any further ado, let's go and take a beach stroll here in Seminyak. Okay, so I did actually want to feature this place in the video tonight. Gado, this is place called. However, it's absolutely heaving. I've come here twice now and not been able to get a table and chairs. It's full. Just look how busy that is. Super full. Full here as well. Wow. So we'll go and take a walk on the Seminyak Double Six Beach. Look at that. Super busy. Most people maybe don't know about this little area down here. This is the Jalan Champlong Tanduk Street, heading up in that direction. And then we're going to go through the main gate entrance and take you on to Seminyak Double Six Beach. So the sun has already set, however it's still so busy. So busy. We'll walk along the back here and show you Gado from this side. I'm going to feature this, so I'll have to come earlier, maybe next weekend, or maybe I'll have to do it in the week. Happy hours. 2 for 1 pizza, Tuesday and Friday. Maybe I'll come in the week and do it. So you can see it's so popular. I've never actually tried this one before, but I'm going to try it and feature in a video. How busy it is on the beach. Sunday. Hello?
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you? Wow. Mainly Indonesian though. It is weekend. Some little seating areas here as well. Wow. Nice. Oh, so now we're going to be approaching our first restaurant area here on the beach. Okay, so this is the Terrace Bali. Just look at that, super, super busy. This is tourists actually. A little seating area in the back there. With copyright music playing now. Wow. Nice. Super busy. Guys setting up with some picture paintings here. Oh, they're a bit groovy. We have another place here. Not sure what they're all individually called. Nice. Nice seating area inside as well. Let's just go across and show you. Can I just show inside? There you go, there's the inside. Wow, very nice. We have the DJ there as well. Not sure what that one's called, doesn't have a name. But it's next to Ryan's surf lesson. Just continue walking along. Froggy's surf lessons. There's quite a few tourists here as well. Interesting. Musical artist there. Oh, this is the Juice Park. Sitting area as well in there. Just continue on. I think this is La Plancha now coming up. This is my favourite area here on the beach. This is La Plancha, the busiest one on the beach. This. Along the back here. Super, super busy here at La Plancha. Kitchen area there. Just look how busy that is. Always busy, La Plancha. Wow. Nice. Hot seats here. These places don't have their names. Another one here. These do actually have some live music. Live music here. So just leaving from that section here, a bit of a space here. People still on the beach, and then we're going to head in this direction down to the next one. Breakfast Club Seminyak here. Just in the back there. All beanbag seating, A, B. Not sure of the names. Seating there as well. Oh, this is Warung di Joglo. Do have some entertainment as well here. He's just not playing at the moment. Continue on to the next one. A bit dark. We are at our next place now. The shisha here. How are you, brother? Oh, this is called Kapil Beach, this one. A few customers inside there as well.
Everybody, take me home to the flame.
Kapil Beach Entertainment.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
Next on from the Kapil, we have the sand beach. The chairs here. Just take you a walk up the back first, and then we'll walk down the middle. Maybe they have. Sorry, some people here. So the sand beach bar restaurant has an inside seating area. Oh, some here as well. Beanbag seating again. We'll just head out and then we'll come back in and just take a round.
Song when we sing together, a song by Kenny Rogers. It's got the gambler, by the way. Hello, camera. Welcome to Bali. Let's go. On one summer's evening, on a dream bound from nowhere, made our way to gambler. We were both too tired to sleep. So we took turns down.
Moving on to our next one now here. Not as busy at this one. Not sure what this one is. No name here. It's not super busy, this one. Oh, here we go. We have the B9B. That's what it is. Happy hour 4 bottle, only 180k. Anyone that's interested in that. Blue 9 Beach. Funky little things there. It's not so popular though, this one, for some reason. And now we're approaching the last one, and right near the Seminyak Double Six Beach gate entrance. Menus, big menu there, people are stuck there. This is K Resto, this one. There's a name up there, K Resto. All the seating areas here. I want to take a wander through. This one's pretty busy. Oh, love you. The swings here as well. Wow, look at that. And we have the live music here. The I love you. Quite busy on the beach there as well. I'll just take you back and just show you the artist. There he is. Nice. In that section here we have a big table here as well with people. Wow.